Welcome to VISHNU IAS. Today, our topic of discussion is India's dams. But why are we discussing it? Recently, Comptroller and Auditor General has said that the Gandhi Sagar Dam on Chambal River is in utmost need of repairs. Since in that context, today we will be discussing about state of India's dams. India is termed as world's third largest country in terms of building big dams. For example, Kalanai Dam on Kaveri River in Tamil Nadu is almost 2000 years old, and Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand is the highest dam, and there are so many dams in India that you can see on the screen. What are the problems that are pertaining to the dams in India? First, they lack in regular checkup and maintenance. They are overflooded. Why are they overflooded? Over time, there is heavy siltation in the dams which decreases the capacity of water, and the sand in the dam increases, hence clogging and choking those dams. Some of these dams are extremely old. For example, Mettur Dam is almost 80 years and above old. These dams are also built according to the old rainfall patterns. But due to climate changes, there are erratic monsoons and floods clogging again our dams. Next, we lack in R&D when it comes to dams design. Hence, there are many flawed designs when it comes to dam construction. Let us see the impact of bad dams. These dams will increase flooding in our cities. They also will lead to food scarcity. How? As we have discussed, there is heavy siltation in dam where the sand in the dam is more and the water gets decreased. Hence, the water that is allocated to agriculture will also get decreased. And when the flooding happens, there is loss of lives and property, as recently we have seen in Idukki Dam flooding in Kerala. To overcome this, our government has come up with a bill which has been passed recently, that is called as Dam Safety Bill. Let us look at few key features of this bill. This bill envisages that there is surveillance, monitoring, maintenance of few specified dams in the country. This bill also envisages National Committee on Dam Safety. This committee will make sure that the policies and regulations are formulated. The chairman of this committee is appointed by central government, and the chairman is the chairman of Central Water Commission. On these lines, there is also National Dam Safety Authority. This authority has three main functions. 1. They will make sure that all the policies and regulations that have been recommended by the committee are implemented. 2. They will make sure that the disputes between the states are resolved. 3. They will give accreditations to dam owners. On the same lines, this bill also envisages state dam safety organizations. These state organizations will have all the database in that particular state regarding the dams, their maintenance and surveillance. This bill for the first time puts obligations on the dam owners. There is a particular unit that needs to be deployed at the dams before monsoon, after every earthquake, floods. They need to also have an emergency action plan. This bill also has provisions for punishments against people who overrule the provisions of this particular bill. Hope this bill will make sure that all the dams in our country are safe and maintained in well position. Thank you, and we will come up with upcoming interesting current affairs sessions in our upcoming videos.